It's face value. It's like the face on the dollar bill. You know what it is, you know what it represent. Face on 100. Nigga, I see shit for what it is, not what I want it to be. Yo, look. I met my lady at a tender age. Life threw me lemons, I made the lemonade. I was trying to master the art of hustling, getting paid. She had a reputation for fucking the realest nigga made. It's cold out there though, as cold as the blocks was. If she ain't driving, she was still riding shotgun. You know that 500 Mossberg shotgun. You ain't even got one, you ain't never shot one. You ain't never draw down on nothing. The cops once, never put a round through nothing. But you been shot once. It's unfortunate when you feeling them hot ones live. It's middle finger to the world like Pop was. I thought love was what the block does. Old hammers, new shells, and they got gloves. What's up's to what up, that is not love. So if I call her all arms, them is not hugs. So you gotta know the difference. Niggas be thinking it's one thing, but it be something totally different. You see where I'm going with it? Integrity compromise. How long-term friends turn money to homicide. Same wanna kill you, consoling your mama cries, but all she sees is love in his eyes in front of lies. I learned that the corners come with a cold heart. Couple dollars made in time come with the warm sparks. Blood in the water in turn, it should've worn sharks. Black going after sundown, the red flag. Where I'm from, we call it going dark. It's a fashion statement. We wanted 4Gs or the low and hearts. Left the schoolyard to move hard. You don't know the part, survival of the fittest. I was there, so I wear the scars. Feeling like if they was counting theirs, where the fuck is ours? Salt and sugar look the same, niggas know the rest. Every word spoken said with your chest. Sure as a dirty heart and getting money never mesh. Character is of the essence, never of the flesh.
Beauty I'd always missed.